In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove banner from your Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're rebranding, refreshing your layout, or simply prefer a cleaner homepage, removing a banner can completely transform the look and feel of your site. This step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to delete the banner image on Squarespace quickly and easily. Step 1. Log in to Squarespace. Start by heading to squarespace.com. On the homepage, click the login there or click on Profile Pic to go to the dashboard. Step 2. Access the site editor. From your dashboard, click on Edit Site. This takes you into Squarespace's editing mode, where you can change layouts, remove banners, or customize design elements. Step 3. Locate the banner section. Navigate to the page containing the banner you want to remove. If you're dealing with a header banner, hover over it until it's highlighted or editable. Some templates show a banner section above the fold. This is what we want to change. Step 4. Remove or hide the banner. Click on the banner section, then look for the trash can icon to delete the banner image. In some templates, you might see an option to hide banner section or to edit banner settings instead. If you're stuck and the Squarespace banner is not removing, double-check that you're editing the correct section. Some banners are controlled by section backgrounds, not standalone image blocks. Step 5. Confirm and save. After deleting the banner or turning it off, click Save to publish your changes. You may need to click Save again to fully confirm. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove banner from Squarespace website step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Squarespace tips.